Hi everybody, so today we are with MEMPHIS, a global distributor specializing in electronics, especially in memories. So we are today with Mark Baumgaertner, who is the Vice President of Sales in the EMEA region, and with Nick Florous, who is the Head of Marketing at MEMPHIS. So we'll be talking about FeRAM. Can you briefly introduce MEMPHIS Electronic and its role in the memory ecosystem?
Sure. MEMPHIS Electronic is a pure-play memory specialist, one of the very few global distributors exclusively dedicated to memory technologies. Founded more than 30 years ago and headquartered in Germany, we operate across EMEA, the Americas and APAC, serving customers ranging from industrial automation to automotive, telecom and AI computing. However, what truly differentiates MEMPHIS is that we do not merely distribute components. We function as a Memory Competence Center, a platform that integrates technical expertise, ecosystem insight, and lifecycle management into a unified service model. For suppliers, this means we act as an extension of their strategic marketing and field application teams, translating technology into market access. We ensure that innovation like FeRAM reaches the right design engineers, system architects, and decision makers through design-in campaigns, webinars, and qualification projects.
Why is FeRAM gaining attention now, and how does MEMPHIS view its potential?
Well, ferroelectric RAM is really experiencing a renaissance, mainly because it directly addresses some of the main points of modern embedded systems, which is the low power, the virtually unlimited endurance, as well as instant write capabilities. In an era dominated with edge intelligence, IoT connectivity, and data authenticity, memory technologies must balance between speed, energy, efficiency, and we believe that ferroelectric RAM achieves this in a much better way than NAND flash or E-square bronze. The growing global discourse on energy efficiency, data sovereignty, and secure authentication further elevates the ferroelectric RAM relevance. We view it as a strategic component in the evolution of intelligent edge systems, from industrial robots and mechanical sensors down to automotive control units.
How does MEMPHIS support customers in selecting and designing with FeRAM?
Our support begins with comparative technology assessment, meaning analyzing each application data, write frequency retention requirements, and power constraints. So we then recommend the appropriate ferroelectric RAM architecture, either serial, parallel, or embedded, supported by reference schematics, firmware integration notes, and qualifications assistance. Moreover, we are running educational initiatives very frequently, from webinars to technical papers and application notes, to demystify ferroelectric RAM properties and demonstrate its superiority over the conventional memory in specific user cases. In other words, we are engaging engineer to engineer to bring more lateral collaboration between the technical teams.
Thank you very much for your time today. We really appreciate it. Thank you for your insight about FeRAM. Is there any comment you'd like to make, or do you have any last words for our listeners?
Sure. MEMPHIS Electronic's collaboration with Ramseed is more than a supplier-distributor relationship. It's a joint mission to democratize advanced memory technologies. Together, we are building awareness, credibility, and adoption pathways for ferroelectric RAM across industries, ensuring that innovation does not remain confined to the lab, but becomes a tangible advantage in real-world designs.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So for people who would like more information about MEMPHIS and memories in general, you can check their website. We will put all this information at the end of the video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.